भाई लिसन, ये भाई साहिल बोल ना इसको, ये क्या कर रहा है?
ऐसा नहीं है, लड़ाई नहीं होगी यार,
लड़ाई नहीं होती। व्हेन यू से मुआय थाई फिटनेस तो उसमें भी होता है, ट्रेनर सामने खड़ा होता है एंड वी हैव टू डू द मूव।
अच्छा, वी हैव टू डू द बॉक्सिंग,
वी हैव टू डू द मूव। इतने मुझे लग रहा है कि बात रिंग में
लड़ाई होगी
कि रिंग में छोड़ देंगे। आज की जो हमारा दिन था उसकी जो शुरुआत थी, दैट वाज विद आवर फर्स्ट वर्कआउट, फिटनेस फिएस्टा इन फुकेट।
शुरुआत रनिंग से की एंड देन वी हैड लाइक अ रियली नाइस पार्टनर वर्कआउट।
Hoping to perform at least decent, if not very, very good. So, wish me luck.
Crazy. We use those logs.
Yeah.
To pick up and throw.
You know, you can create a certain kind of a workout for yourself out of anything. It's just that आपका intention होना चाहिए.
So it was a very good game and everyone enjoyed.
मुआ थाई एक ट्रेडिशनल थाई स्पोर्ट है. It's called Thai boxing basically.
And it's actually Thailand's best Muay Thai place, right? It's called Tiger Muay Thai.
उन्होंने हमें मुआय थाई के बेसिक वो बताए एंड देन दी कोरियोग्राफी स्टार्ट.
I still remember that one-on-one session was super crazy because I remember one moment where he asked me to kick, you know, like 5 times.
I really want to come back for like few weeks to do a proper session.
So all we can say about this Muay Thai session is.
But Vishy, I've done zipline so many times. It's scary. But all you have to do is just वो harness, and you just tell the person, push me, push me, just push me. Let him only push you. So my whole thing is that I can't let myself go.
मुआय थाई के बाद हमें लगा था कि बस अब हो गया, हाई पॉइंट आ गया डे का, लेकिन हाई पॉइंट तो अभी येट टू कम था, जो था जिप लाइनिंग, हनुमान जिप लाइनिंग.
I think it's one of the longest zip lines in Thailand. Total 16 stops थे उस zip line में, and I think it took almost 1.5 hours to complete it.
Everyone was scared. The only person who killed it is Kishwar.
I killed it.
She cried on every zip line. She begged, pleaded, cried, killed the other people who were sending her down.
Hi, my friends. How are you?
Then after zipline, we went to see the old Phuket town.
Thailand's traditional dress, it was pretty, it was really beautiful. And then I cooked.
Yeah, he cooked.
And I
and
killed
nobody
it.
ate. Yay!
When we reached there, the drama that restaurant had, it made us feel like that you're going to a special place. The way we actually reached.
The Ginger restaurant और बहुत ही amazing सा खाना था.
A beautiful place, lovely day,
Great
so many
day.
activities, burned hell lot of calories, and now looking forward to burn more on day 3.
Next day, tomorrow.
Next day.